Add 4 medium onions in the food processor. Add 4 green chilies, coriander, and a few mint leaves. Add 1 tablespoon red chili, 2 tablespoons dry coriander, red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons ginger, and garlic paste. And chop. Now your masala is ready. Now add 1 kg beef mince, then blend it once again. It should look something like this. Now put the mixture into a clean bowl and put 1 cup wheat flour and 1 egg for binding. Now mix well. Take a piece of your mix and cook it to check the spice level. For smoky flavor, heat the coil on high or medium flame until red hot. Then put an aluminium foil piece on your mix. Put your coil on the aluminium foil. Add ½ teaspoon of oil and cover with lid. This is how it should look before putting the lid. Keep it like this for about 15 minutes. Remove the lid and now it's ready for shaping into kebabs. I have shaped my kebabs now, but you can make yours big or small, any shape you like. Now cook on low flame on both sides for 10 minutes. Now flip it to cook the other side as well. Look at it, it's sizzling. Can't wait to eat it. Now put it in the plate and it's ready to serve.